Okay, good evening, sir. So this is my assignment for this week. These are the criteria for the assignments. So right now, I'm in my Chrome. So this is my Swagger. This is my Swagger UI for my assignment, which is the TeamFlow API. And right here, it is deployed already on Render. You can see here render.com, my API docs, the auth, and then the registration, the production server, and the registration. So right now, to fulfill the second criteria, I'm going to do a posting. This is an API that arrange projects and tasks. So I'm going to do a posting. But before that, I'll first of all do a get. So I'm going to get all my database items. So I click on try it out and I click on execute. Okay, so right now you can see a response of 200 and you can see the list of my database items. So these are my projects and with their respective IDs here. So I'm having 3 right now in this project. So after that, I'm going to post something. This is a schema that I've already posted. So I'm going to try this out. And I told ChatGPT to generate some stuff for me to post that to be simpler for me. So I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to come to my Swagger and I'm going to click it here. I'm going to execute. So it's giving me a 400 error response status. And I think I know the reason of this. It is because I think in my schema, I use name and not title. So this shows that my code is protected. So I change it to name and let me execute it once more. So it is also showing me a 500 error request. And I'm having a message here which shows that project validation failed. Part owner is required. So I need a part owner for this. I need an owner for it. So let me just create an owner. So right now I'm logged in. I'm logged in using this. I'm logged in using this. This is samuel@example.com and this is the password. So this Samuel, it has a database, and I need to go and check the ID. So with that ID, I could be able to post. So here's my database, it's my MongoDB, and I need to refresh this. I need to come to the users. I need to refresh this list. All right, so it has refreshed, and I will search for this Samuel. All right, this is the Samuel Johnson. So I need to copy this ID. Oh, sorry, need to copy this ID. Copy it here, and then I come to this my Swagger. I go back to this owner. So I need to paste this ID here, and I run it again. So you can see 201. It's accepted me to post. So that means I have already shown my error handling, the 400 and 500 error handling. So it has been created successfully. I have built a new project which is called Context Scheduling App. So I need to go back to my MongoDB to check this to see if it's really working. So this is the project. So let me expand this so you can see it very well. So this is its content scheduling app. So it's worked. All right. So back to my UI. I need to get this. I need to get a project. So I think I already have an ID here. So I'll just copy this ID. I'll just copy this ID here to get this. Control C. I click on get. I try it out. I put the ID and I execute. So as you can see, it's a 200 response, which means I got the content scheduling app I just created now. All right, so I would like to get one of the projects. I already have a project here that I posted, so I'm just going to copy the ID of this project. I'll copy it, and then I'll come to this get, try it out, and I'll post it, then click on execute. As you can see, it came back with a 200 response button. And this is the product I've got, web redesign. Web redesign, which is the same thing you can see here, web redesign. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to update this using hooks. So this is my post for the project, and I'll try it out and I'll click on this. So you have to notice that the name is web redesign, but then I'll put it like web redesign too. So I need to copy this. I need to copy this here. And then here I paste it. So the web redesign, I'm going to change it to two. I'm just going to put two. And I click on execute. So this gave a response of 200. And as you can see here, this is website redesign 2, which is also my database. But because of time, I would like to hasten things up. And finally, I'm going to delete the project. So I click on this, and I have to copy the ID. I have to copy the ID. So this is the ID here. I need to copy it and delete it from my database. So I try it out and I paste and then I execute. So as you can see right here, it shows project tags, project and tags deleted. That means it was successful. All right, so for the second collection, this is task, and I'm going to get, as you can see, here's my get, and I'm going to get all items. I click on execute, and these are the items that I already saved in my database. As you can see, the response is 200, and it gave us this task. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to post. So I click on post. I click on post, and I'm going to edit this. All right, so I'm trying to, this is the project ID, which is already in my database. I'm going to use this project ID to build a task that someone can actually do. So I click on execute. And as you can see here, 201, the task has been created using that project ID. And so this is it here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to get task by ID. So I already have the ID here. As you can see, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this ID. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. So I'll click on execute and I've gotten it, the build data components, which is for to do. So the next thing I'm going to do is to put, so I'm still having the ID and I'm just going to paste the ID here. I'm just going to paste the ID here. Then I need the body also for me to be able to edit this or to update it. So what I'm going to do is I already copied it. I'm just going to call it yeah. Well, this is it here. But then before it was to do, the status is to do. Then let me just put it to do two and execute. All right, as you can see, 200, it went successfully. And this is the to do two here. As you can see it right here. It's right in my MongoDB. The last thing I'm going to do right now is to delete this. I'm going to delete it. I already have the ID copied somewhere, so I'm just going to call it, I think this is it. Uh, so I'm going to click on execute. And as you can see, the tags has been deleted. So this is how my collection is right now. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to check the next criteria. So the next criteria is error handling. I already showed that during this video where it showed 400 and 500 error when I tried logging in. When I didn't log in and I tried to post something and it didn't work. So I used a try and catch error for that. And that was, as you can see, I have protected routes here too. I have controllers. My task controller is right here. So this is a try and catch block for each of them. For each of them, my user controller, my project controller, and everything. So my git ignore is ignoring this env file, it's ignoring these node models, and it's ignoring the dot history because it contains some secret keys. And everything I put it in my render, is fully showing on my render. I used environment variables to hide all of them, and I have deployed it. So this is it. Thank you very much.